This is YouTube Joseph W. Maybe we're getting your story. Let's begin. So this video is YouTube Joseph W. Universe Sandbox 2. Asteroid impact. Dinosaur asteroid impact is what we'll call it. Dinosaur extinction. Asteroid impact. How about that? So to summarize the last episodes, on our counter's history, at midnight, January 31st, the Earth was born in at 11 p.m. January 31st, the whole globe melted in the Iron catastrophe. It wasn't until 11 a.m. on January 2nd when the whole globe cooled, which is when a planet collided with Theia. Theia collided with Earth, triggering a chain of events that would form the moon eventually. And by January 4th, at 3 p.m. by January 4th at 3 p.m. the oceans have formed. And a few minutes later on our calendar, life on Earth begins as simple cell microbes. The whole globe rusted in, on August 1st, the snowball Earth happened. The last one actually happened September 2nd or 3rd, but it wasn't until the first mass extinction event happened. Actually, snowball Earth ended September 11th or 12th, or 10th or 11th, and September 10th is when snowball Earth ended, and the last one. And then the gamma ray burst, the first mass extinction event at the end of the Ordovician, happened at in October 17th or 19th. But the worst mass extinction to ever hit the planet to ever affect the planet was on October 1st, November 1st, which was the end Permian extinction event that wiped out 95% of all life on the planet alive at the time. Disappeared in a geological blink of an eye, 3 million years, which is on our timeline, that would be 30 minutes. And finally at December 25th is when November 25th is when around Thanksgiving time is when the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs hit. So this is it. This is the asteroid I made a while back. Now it's going to hit there. 10.4 we're going 10.4 seconds per second in real time in the game. That's 10.4 seconds per second is how much time is going by in the game in 1 second in real time. Let me know in the comment section down below if you understand. If you don't, I'll discuss in future videos. Let me know in the comments down below if you understand that. If you don't, I'll discuss in future videos. Now the asteroid begins to enter the atmosphere and burns up. We have impact. That's impact. A fireball rushes out as well as shockwave, tsunami, and thermal radiation. And debris. That's the impact ring. And now, as well as earthquakes, the thermal radiation became blast waves and pulse waves and winds. This is the aftermath of the impact of a global catastrophe. The debris raining down triggers fireballs and fires and shockwaves, blast waves, pulse waves, then fires. Before that, winds, then fires. And then debris, as well as earthquakes before fires, and debris rain. It's based a bunch of shockwaves. This is the end of the age of the dinosaurs. Now the shockwaves this is like a few hours after impact. The shockwaves are dissipating. This is what's left in the wake of the immediate aftermath. Now was the aftermath of global disaster. Let's throw a bunch of hypotheses at the Earth to simulate the rate of fire. Across North America, South America. Holy smokes.